Amid violent protests in several states over the recently announced Agnipath scheme, the government today unofficially released a myths versus facts document addressing the most pressing concerns raised on the radical recruitment plan for the armed forces. The most common issue raised by protesters is that the 4-year duration is very short and that their future would look insecure. The government said that those wishing to be entrepreneurs after their service as Agniveers will get a financial package and bank loan scheme. Those wishing to study further will be given a Class 12 equivalent certificate and a bridging course for further studies, and those who want salaried jobs will be given priority in Central Armed Police Forces and State Police. The government clarified several other points. Protests against Agnipath turned violent today as army aspirants disrupted rail and road traffic in several parts of Bihar for the second consecutive day. Trains were set on fire, rail and road traffic disrupted, window panes of buses smashed, and passerby, including a ruling BJP MLA, pelted with stones by angry youth demanding the withdrawal of the new short-term recruitment scheme. Violent protests have now spread to multiple states across the country. Haryana and Uttar Pradesh have also reported violent protests. The government is under increasing pressure to rethink the Agnipath amid protests by army aspirants that have escalated and spread beyond Bihar to many other states. Chief Minister Nitish Kumar's party Janata Dal United, the BJP's Bihar ally, has emphasized that the government must reconsider the Agnipath system. Even the BJP's own leaders in Bihar, not willing to be named, hope that the protests will drive the centre to take steps that will spare everyone a prolonged crisis. Several Indian states are pressuring Prime Minister Narendra Modi's government to extend a program to continue compensation for losses from a goods and services tax, or simply the structure. It poses the biggest challenge yet to the tax reform. Finance ministers from the opposition-led Kerala, West Bengal and Chhattisgarh have said that they will raise the issue at a meeting of the GST Council this month.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.